Good morning, children. How are you all? Must be fit and fine staying at home. Children, you must be thorough with chapter 1, David and Jonathan. Now, today we are doing chapter 2, Kabliwala. Kabliwala is a story of Minnie, a little girl of 5 years old, and Kabliwala. Kabliwala is a peddler who used to come to sell the things in her street. And one day, I was reading my new novel. Who was saying I was reading? Her father, a narrator, when Minnie entered the room and disturbs her father. She was so chatty, she was so talkative, and very innocently she says, elephant blows water out of his trunk, and that is why it rains. She doesn't know how does the rain comes. Then with the speed of a bullet, she said, with the speed of the bullet means she ran so quickly and asked her father, what relation is mother to you? Then father said, go and play with Bhola. She was so innocent, he didn't want to tell anything about this. The window of my room overlooks the road. The window, who says? Narrator says, the window of my room overlooks the road, that they could see everything from the window of their house. Then what happens? She heard a kabliwala, kabliwala. Someone was shouting. The peddler was shouting, a kabliwala, a kabliwala. Okay, next. Now, children, in this paragraph, the narrator describes his appearance. He was wearing loose, soiled clothing. Soiled means stained. He was wearing dirty clothes and carrying grapes in his hand. Okay, and she was so scared to see Kabliwala. But her father greeted him with a smiling face. He inquired about Minnie. He wanted to know where is Minnie. And in order to rid of her false fear, because Minnie was very afraid of Kabliwala, he wanted to remove the fear of Minnie. Her father brought her out. Minnie looked at my chair and looked at the Kabliwala and his bag. She very surprisingly saw her bag because her bag was so heavy, and she thought that he must be carrying two children in her bag. And what after that, he offered her nets and raisin. Kabliwala offered her nets to attract her, but she was not attracted, only clung closer to me. She held her father so tightly. Then after that, what happened? I found Minnie chatting with the great Kabliwala. Her father found, he was a narrator, that she saw that he was very surprised to see that Minnie was chatting with Kabliwala. Okay? And the corner of her little sari was stuffed, and he was very also surprised that her sari was stuffed with almonds and raisins. The bribe of nuts and almonds overcame Minnie's first terror and initiated their friendship. How did they become friends? Because Kabliwala used to give nuts and raisins, and Minnie was very much attracted and removed her fear, and she was very much attracted by giving the nuts and raisins by the Kabliwala. Then she asked Kabliwala, there is an elephant in your bag. An elephant, not much cause for merriment, but how they enjoyed their witticism. Witticism means humorous. Both of them, they become very humorous. And for me, this is child's talk with a grown-up man. And narrator says that it was a child talk with a grown-up man. Who is a grown-up man? Peddler. And always it's something strangely fascinating. Fascinating means it was very interesting. Okay, interesting to see. The narrator was very interested, strangely interested to see that how they have become friends together. The Kabliwala not be behindhand, would take his turn. Now it's the turn of Kabliwala, because first Minnie asked what is in the bag. Now Kabliwala asked Minnie, well, little one, when are you going to father-in-law's house? He asked him, when are you going to father-in-law's house? Since Minnie was too young, she was so small that she didn't understand the meaning of marriage also. Children, Minnie was too young to understand marriage, okay? And this question must left her a little bewildered. She was so surprised, and she didn't want to know the meaning of this father-in-law's house. But she would not allow, and with ready the fat cat replied, "Are you going there?" At once she asked Kabliwala, ki, "Are you going there?" Okay, children, rest of the chapter we will continue tomorrow. Write two answers of the questions given at the back. Okay.